Hey guys, this is Matt with Get Educated First, and it's time for another video. So in this video I'm going to show you and demonstrate to you how I'm going to trade and use my Crypto MasterBot 2.0 auto trader. But just before I dive into it, I just want to remind you that in my previous video I literally opened up a brand new account, demo account, free account for these demonstration purposes. So basically, when you open up a fresh new account, you get 1,500 bucks to play with, to work with, and get practiced with. So as you can see in this account, I already have 2,000 US dollar in my balance, on my balance, because I already placed some trades, and I will be diving into it shortly to show you what exactly I did and how I did it. But just before, I really want, full disclaimer, this is not my real account. This is a demo account for this demonstration purposes. My real account is a master account, is different account. So it was really important for me to let you know that this is not my real account. This is my secondary account for this video purposes. I just want to remind you that if you haven't had a chance to come to our website at geteducatedfirst.com, you are more than welcome to come to our website, read our blog post, and leave your comments, and also subscribe to our newsletter so you will be up to date with information about the market, investment reviews, scam reviews about shady products they should stay away from, as well as really good and reliable products like this one. So you just make you do yourself a favor and subscribe to our website so you will be up to date with everything that's going on the marketplace. Also, we are on Facebook, geteducatedfirst.com. Come on board, say hello. And obviously, if you watch us on YouTube, like and subscribe the video. It's really going to help us and to help our other members and other viewers on YouTube to get the information. And also, don't be shy, leave a comment, and we will be more than happy to get back to you as soon as humanly possible with the relevant help and reply to you as soon as possible. And also, I will be leaving the our link for the free account, demo account for the Crypto MasterBot 2.0 just below this video in the description box. So feel free to use it if you want to register for a free account. It doesn't cost you anything. The complete opposite, you get free 1,500 bucks for you to play with and work with and get practice. So why not use it, right? So let's dive into it. As you can see, this is the interface of the Crypto MasterBot 2.0, right? So as you can see, I already have 2K on my balance, which it means I already 500 in profit, right? So here is the trading signals based on my preferences, which I will walk you through right now. Active brokers, I don't have any broker right now because this is a demo account, right? But the only difference is that if you change it to real mode, you will be assigned to a broker broker of your choice, right? You will get several brokers to choose from, and then you can choose the one that you like the most and deposit your initial amount so you can start using it. But I do not recommend to use it until you get practice. So this is why you get the demo account and the free account, and you get 1,500 bucks to start your journey with Crypto MasterBot 2.0. So take advantage of it, guys. So my stop loss points are 200. You can literally walk it from 25 bucks to 2,500. But if you watch my previous video, you know probably by now that I'm usually working with 100 or 200. So let's leave it with 200 because today I feel like 200 is better for me. Sometimes I will use 100. So 200 for today. Trading on means that the signals right now are running for me. Okay, I don't have any open trades by now because I haven't placed a trade, right? I have to click it. I have to pull the trigger, but I haven't done it because I really wanted to wait for you. So you will be able to see it live and, as it's happening right now. So the assets that I'm working with, as you probably know, I'm really big fan of US dollar currency. Why is that? I really like US dollar. everybody using US dollar all over the world. When countries buying oil, they buy it with US dollar. When you go to Amazon and eBay, you buy your stuff with US dollar. When businesses buy other businesses, they buy it with US dollar in most cases. So really there is some meat on the bones when it comes to US dollar currency. Now I'm not bashing, the other currencies like Australian dollar and Japan yen or Canadian dollar. Not at all. What I'm saying is that you don't need to be the expert in everything. You need just to decide what's good for you and then to go for it. I decided I really like US dollar because it's really great when it comes to fluctuation and volatility and trading volume. There is great probability for us as traders, as investors, to pull out so many profits when we are using US dollar, because it's really a stable currency if you check its history and check its previous reaction to the market. Also, I like, Bitcoin and I like Ethereum. I'm familiar with it. But again, guys, my preferences, my assets preferences, my settings, it doesn't have to be your own settings. You need to self-educate yourself first and understand what's good for you and what's not. So I highly encourage you to use this demo account to play with, to get the hang of it. Use it and then understand what's good for you and what's not. Again, it's only my own preferences, and I really like US dollar, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. As you can see, I only work with what I like. Okay, it's really personal preferences. About the advanced setting features, advanced settings section, I'm more of the long-term trader. Why is that? Just imagine that right now Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, will now make a statement that can really destabilize the market. It's really not good for us. So for the next 1 hour, or for the next 2 hours, the market will react to his statement, and it's not good for me, not good for you, because you know that the market is right now going up, and now the CEO, Jeff Bezos, is now made a statement and it's going to affect us and we will lose the trades. So for me, I like the long-term shots. Now, I just gave you the example of Jeff Bezos, Amazon CEO, but for example now, a president of a company, of a country, or a prime minister of a country will now say something, or will start a war, or will threaten another country. Now we put ourselves in this risky position when we take on the short-term trades. So this is why I decided from the get-go, from when I just started, to go for the long term. But again, guys, it's really personal preferences. It's really down to your self-education and to what you like and what you don't like. Okay, so it's really up to you. I like long term, and I just explained why I like it. Probability, I leave it as it is. Reverse trading, I'm not a big fan of it, so I just turn it off. I leave it off. Maximum daily trades, basically it means that how many trades I will be trading with per day. So for me, it's a maximum of 10 daily trades. And if you watch my previous video, I like to set it up for 2 maximum concurrent trades. It basically means that I will have no more than 2 trades open at any given moment, at any given time. No 3, no 4, maximum of 2, because I really don't like to put myself in a risky position. Daily stop loss means that I'm willing to lose up to 200 per day, but I am willing and I'm shooting for 1,000 US dollar profit, to pull out from the market 1,000 US dollar profit only today, per day. Okay, so this is my goal per day, 1,000 profit per day. Now, just to give you an idea, I mean, I already covered it in the previous video, but it's really important for me to let you know that my real account, and as I said from the beginning, my real account is the master account, which is basically the best account, you need to deposit a little bit more, but you get a lot more opportunities to trade with, like more currency pairs and more crypto pairs, and you get the VIP customer support, which is huge. It's really huge. But by all means, I'm not encouraging you to start with master. You can always start with novice, and then gradually, slowly but surely, you can upgrade to the expert and then the master. But just so you know, I do encourage you to start with a free demo account for your own benefits, for your own self-education. So it was important for me to let you know my thoughts. As you can see, it's important, first of all, it's really important that you save settings, and then the auto trader will start to recommend to you some trades. Obviously, I will not be pulling out trades or get into trades when I have 10 seconds left, 13 seconds left. I will wait until I get the full time frame to enter a trade. But just to let you know, I already, as you can see, have $500 in profits, right? So earlier today, I entered 3 trades: Euro USD, Australian dollar USD, and British pound USD, US dollar, and I won the all 3. So 200 profit here, 200 profit here, and $100 profit here. All 3 were winning trades, and all of them add up to 500. And right now I'm in 2K profit, 2K balance, which is 500 more in my balance, in my portfolio. So as you can see right now, based on my own preferences, based on my own settings, I now get the trades, right? The available trades. So basically these are, the last trades that are just finishing, and I will not enter them because, I have 1 minute here, 50 seconds here, but here I have 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and almost 10 minutes. So I really like Ethereum, okay, and the auto trader is recommending me to execute this trade because it matches my preferences. So this is what I'm going to do. I will enter this trade and show you how it looks like. So as you can see right now, I have an open trade, Ethereum USD, open price, current trade, and as you can see, it's moving, and stop loss. This is my stop loss. Again, my stop loss is based on my preferences, and take profit is here. So guys, I don't want to waste or to take more of your time. It was really for demonstration purposes only, for you to see how to place a trade, how to change your settings based on your own preferences. It's really important that you take your time. Don't be in a rush. Really educate yourself and don't waste your money on other services that promise you the world, really. Okay, so it's really important that you take your time. So that's it for today. It was really important for me to let you know how it works, how the interface looks like when you really start the ball rolling. And if you have questions, as I said previously, leave a comment here down below this video. If you watch it on our website, leave a comment on the comment section. If you watch it on Facebook, leave a comment on the Facebook comment section. I will put the link, our link for the free demo account just below this video, so use it. It doesn't cost you anything. You literally open free account and start to practice. And this is the most important thing in your journey. It's a self-education and practicing, and then you will feel so confident to pull the trigger and execute trades, and and obviously you will learn throughout the process. So thank you for your time, guys. I really appreciate each one of you for taking the time to listen to me, and that's it for today. See you next time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.